Hello, lovelies. Welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. And real quick, I would like to show you how I transformed this dead looking shelf. Okay, so please stick around. guys, I've been back from work for a while now, so I just thought to check in on you guys. Today was just there, really nothing very interesting. Why actually I feel weak, kinda. I feel like I'm about to get down with the flu. I don't know, I'm just feeling one kind. But I made dinner. Pretty. So I made noodles. I added a little bit of crayfish. Why? My brother made noodles for himself a while ago. He added crayfish. I tasted it. Normally I give people that add crayfish to noodles the side eye, but he did, and it tasted nice, so I decided to try it. So this time I added crayfish and some saint leaves as well. It tastes good, but I was still scared, like trust issues. I didn't put too much crayfish. It's nice. I'm also eating kilishi.
All the way from Abuja. So guys, remember
the string light that I got. So that string light didn't work. I returned it today. I went back to Ministry and I returned it. So I returned it. They were even nice, apologizing for it not working. So I got 2 other items. So I just added money to that and got 2 other items, which you're going to see in subsequent videos. I'm going to show you guys. So I'm just going to go now to watch my trusty Telemundo, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey everyone, welcome back to another vlog. It's so weird that I'm starting this vlog at past 9 p.m. today. You guys, I got back from work, freshened up, and guess what? I was craving eba. I was at work and I was thinking of eba. Sorry about that fan. The lighting is not so good. So I was thinking of eba. So weird. Like, if you know me, you know I do not eat swallow. Like, I hardly eat swallow. So the funny thing is, last night I had eba. Today I was at work and I was thinking of eba. So I got back, just freshened up, went straight to make me some eba. So I had that while I was, after eating, they took the light, so I couldn't even start the vlog or do anything at all. So they just brought the light a few moments ago, and I'm like, I'm not going to bed now because I slept quite early yesterday because I was not feeling too well. You know, I had bad cramps, so that's why I didn't vlog at all yesterday. So there's no Vlogmas Day 7, you guys. Because I slept so early yesterday. Like, I slept so early that I woke up, checked the time, and it was just past 11. I was like, how is it just past 11? So I slept so early. That's why I'm like, no, I'm going to get things done today. So I have this braided ponytail that I've been doing since October, so I abandoned it. Now I want to continue. That's why I'm with some braiding hair. I'm going to be working on that. I'm filming that. That will be on another video. Stay tuned. Make sure you subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell, okay? Leave me a comment if you would, okay? And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing now. Good morning. So I'm starting off my morning with this. This is how I'm starting my day. I must finish this today. So I just got done. Hello everyone, welcome back. Why am I acting like it's a whole new vlog? Okay, so I've been back from work. I go back from work. I've just got done making dinner, beans and plantain, because I have plantains that are about to go bad if I don't do something about it. Like, it's not that bad. I wouldn't show you the picture, but like, I feel like if I had left it for one more day, it would have gotten to that overripe state that I do not like. So I decided to make beans. So that's what I'm having this night. So after, I'm just going to go in and eat and watch Telemundo, after which I'll come and conclude my braided ponytail week. Then maybe jazz up my Christmas area. I'm looking at it right now. I'm just going to go add some, little effects to it. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing this night. So that's it for today's Vlogmas video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.